Welcome back to AP Psychology in under 3 minutes. No time for intros, let's get into it. Welcome everybody to the lovely field of health psychology, where we explore how your mind, behavior, and stress affect your physical health. One of the core things we all experience in life is stress, which is your body's response to a challenge or demand. Stress can be experienced as two types. Eustress is the good type of stress, where you'll be motivated, such as excitement before a performance. Distress is the bad type of stress, where things are overwhelming, such as things like anxiety. Many things in life can trigger stress reactions. For example, traumatic stressors are big, intense events, whereas daily hassles are small, little constant annoyances. It's also important to note that ACEs, such as early life stress like abuse, neglect, and instability, can affect your health for your entire life. But now let's talk about how your body actually responds to stress. And the big thing we have here is the general adaptation syndrome, which describes 3 stages your body might react in. First, you start in the alarm phase. This is the sympathetic nervous system's fight or flight reaction, where you immediately react. Then you go into the resistance phase, where you try and cope and adapt to your stress, meaning your body stays activated but stable. And finally, if the stress isn't properly managed, you go into the exhaustion phase, where your body's resources have been depleted and you're burned out. This is the phase where you are most susceptible to illnesses. Another alternative response that could happen here, though, is the tend and befriend theory, where instead of fighting or running, you seek social support and you care for others. This specific response is most commonly observed in women more than men. But finally, let's talk about the 2 ways people tend to cope with stress. You could do problem-focused coping, where you fix the problem directly, or you could do emotion-focused coping, where you manage your own feelings instead. That's all for this one. On the screen now are AP style questions for this topic. Pause now. I'll put the answers on the screen now. Only 4 more to go.